Hello everyone, Martin here, and today we've got a $400 Canadian, American, and UK gaming PC build. Let's get right into it with the CPU. Everyone's got a tie here with the Ryzen 3 1200. Surprising because last month in January, we had not a Ryzen 3 1200. In fact, most of the months prior to that, we never had that. It was always an Athlon or something like that. So I'm happy to see some difference here in February. I see some positive stuff in February. I believe something will change in this world for the better. Rip Kobe Bryant. Okay, anyways, back into this video. The Ryzen 3 is going to be great for gaming and barely any video editing or anything like that. Productivity, keep that on a low. Don't want to have too much things going on that task manager. I'm going to tell you why later on in the video. Let's get right into the motherboard. Everyone's got a tie here. 4 slots, 64 gigs of RAM, DDR4 supported. You're Gucci. Let's get for the RAM. Canada takes an L here with the 4 gigs of DDR4 3200, and that's what I was telling you guys. Task manager, you don't want to have a lot of things running for Canada because 4 gigs, oof, I mean 8 gigs is already cutting a little tight against that wall, that ceiling. And UK and United States have a tie here, 8 gigs, DDR4 3200 respectively. SSDs here, we got a giant W here for the UK, 1 terabyte hard drive for PNY, wow, and 480 gig for USA and 240 gig for Canada. Look at the pricing here, terrible, same price, but yeah, almost half the gigs. Looking at the graphics cards here, we basically have OW here for the UK just on the gigs, but the USA and the UK both have an RX 570, so I guess you could technically give them a tie, but I won't. Canada comes in last, 560. I like it. I mean, it's a little pushing, guys. It might be a little bit more than 400, but it's a good graphics card. It's a good graphics card. We have to give it some W's here. And for the cases, it's a looking competition. You want to spend more money on this, go ahead. Save your money. Do not get more expensive cases. Just get these cheap cases at this price range. For the power supply, Canada wins this one with a 450 watt 80 plus bronze semi-modular power supply from Corsair, whilst the other two countries, the USA and the UK, come in last, technically tied. 500 watt 80 plus bronze respectively. VGA and GameMax are the power supplies, but they lose against the mighty Canada all around. Obviously the UK always comes out clutch. Anyways, leave a like and subscribe and tell me how much you love Canada or any other country on this list. See you guys next one. Peace.